Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setups for today. So, if you know what this means here, you are clearly a trading guru. For me, that is barbed wire. It is confusion, but at the same time, it's in a channel. It could be a flag. It's definitely not a clear sign of a move to the upside. It could be a retest of structure. There's just so much that it could mean, and we right back in the moving averages. Moving averages have crossed over, so I would assume that we are hunting something for a rejection on the 8-hour. But if I look at the other indexes, that is definitely not the case. So yeah, the latter half of last week was really chaotic. Lots of barbed wire, lots of confusion. Not so sure I want to be trying to second guess this at the moment. Could be a flag. We are below the moving averages on the higher time frames. This gap down here is very much still open, and if you look at the oscillators, it is looking like we should be looking for a rejection here. But these tails, that's upside and tails to downside, is not something which is filling me with confidence. So if we drop down to the levels we want to be trading, we start seeing a similar structure to what we are seeing on the DAX and the S&P 500, and that is a potential rounding bottom. So I'm going to take this with a pinch of salt at the moment, because it could be hunting levels 34,637 for a rejection down. We are above the faster moving averages, but the slow moving average, the slow moving average of 150 is kind of holding up price at the moment, and there is some structure in this zone, which is right there. And you can see there's two little levels here that we should be paying attention to: 34,637, 34,646. So we need to clear above Friday's high, build a base before I see us attacking this area at 34,703, and that could also be a zone, something like that, at 34,723. So if this is a flag or a channel, I don't expect us to break above that. We should reject that, build a base lower down. But stranger things have happened. And if you just look at this from the 15-minute, big down, big up, above and below the moving averages, all this chaos here before the close, before dropping, and then buyers coming in again. So Friday was complete confusion. And I would argue that we need to get above this level here. I'm going to delete the channel. We need to find a base above 34,646. I'd want to see price move above into the zone, reject it, come back, find support here. If that happens, this is a buying opportunity, 34,646, and you're looking to take profit 34,700, 34,723 area. I wouldn't want to hold on to that longer than that just yet, just in case this is a flag, and it is a strong possibility of that. We've also got a trend line here that we're very close to at the moment, so that's probably going to reject. A lot of times you'll see a pullback, drop below the flag, breakout, come back in, and then a back above. So I'm expecting some confusion still here, and with a juicy gap to below is a very strong possibility that this can turn out to be a flag and reject everything for a move to the downside. So lots of confusion. I'm rather going to sit on the sides with this one. We'll watch the DAX this morning and the S&P this afternoon to see if there's anything there. Anyway, that's kind of my view today. I hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow. Cheers for now.